Yo guys, nagbabalik tayo ngayong gabi at kung bago lang kayo dito sa channel ko, please subscribe, Boss M. Suportahan nyo ako dito sa channel ko para marami pa tayong ma-post na ganito. So ngayon, panoorin muna natin yung laban ni Sir Manny Pacquiao. Wala muna tayong horror reaction video ngayon. Gustong-gusto ko lang tong laban na to versus Cotto. Kasi syempre ako athlete ako, boxer ako. Itong laban na to talagang maraming nagdalawang isip kung mananalo ba si Pacquiao o hindi. So manood muna tayo ng highlights nila sa laban nilang dalawa. So wag na nating patagalin to and sabayan nyo akong manood. Let's go.
Welcome to Lucky Punch. Do you like this video? Don't forget to subscribe and like it.
Guys, please subscribe Lucky Punch. Sa kanya tong video na to. Iba talaga yung angas si Pacquiao dati. Ang daming tumaya kay Cotto nito. 50-50 or 60-40. Kahit ako, nagdadalawang isip ako dito. Nalaban na to. Pasok agad yung jab ni Cotto. Yeah. Sobrang dangerous talaga yung tao na to.
A jab will negate speed. And if you remember the did he fight those guys that were southpaws? He had Judah as southpaw. It's almost a hybrid punch from Cotto.
Ang lakas si Cotto early round, pero nung nakatikim na siya ng mga suntok ni Pacquiao, nag-iba na. Mahalata mo na sasaktan siya.
Oh, and this is it going to be very early on. Look at that jab, guys. So here we go.
Round 2.
Cotto did a good job with that stiff jab. Cotto gives up his any kind of advantage.
Grabe si Pacquiao, dinidiin niya yung straight niya. Bang! Hook! Maanis Pacquiao.
Absolutely. Beautiful combination by Pacquiao.
Yun ang problema ni Sir Manny pag sumuntok, nakababa yung kamay pagtapos. Yan, no? Minsan naman pag bumato siya ng suntok, galing sa baba yung kamay niya.
He's moving forward once again. It's measured aggression. One of Cotto.
Round 3. Dito. Boom! Daming dyan, daming nagulat dyan. Daming hindi umaasa na mababagsak si Cotto dyan. Sira na yung game plan ni Cotto eh. Saka mapapansin nyo si Cotto dito, hindi mo maintindihan yung galawan niya. Minsan nagkakaliwa, minsan nagkakanan. Pasok din talaga. Uppercut. Boom. Malakas din talaga si Cotto eh. Idol na idol ko rin to eh. Isa sa Puerto Rican boxer talaga to si Cotto na pinaka-idol ko. Kita mo yan? Yung mga suntok ni Pacquiao, pang yung tambay sa Pilipinas. Boom! Kita niyo yun? Pasok na pasok. Boom! Kita niyo yan? Di ba? Talagang pasok na pasok. After this, itong bagsak na to, mapapansin nyo si Cotto panay takbo na. Tsaka mapapansin mo na yung Manny Pacquiao, iba yung lakas. Kasi kadalasan ng mga nakakalaban niya talaga, pag nakatikim na sa mga suntok ni Sir Manny, mga late round, nag-iiba yung galaw. Kasi si Sir Manny, kung napapansin nyo, pag lumalaban, pahaba ng pahaba yung round, yung hangin niya, pataas ng pataas. Hindi mo siya nakikitaan na sobrang pagod niya. Ganun siya kagaling mag-control ng stamina niya. At sobrang pilit sa sarili. Hindi mo siya makitaan na yung pag nakatama, wala na. Walang combination. Yung Manny Pacquiao, pag nakatama, tuloy-tuloy yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hindi mo na makita kung saan galing yung suntok niya. Kaya ang daming bumilib sa kanya sa Amerika. Kasi sobrang entertaining niya lumaban. At saka this fight, maraming tumaya kay Cotto dito kasi prime to silang dalawa eh. Puro to na sa prime eh. At saka yung Miguel Cotto, inakyat pa ni Pacquiao para lang maghabol sila, magkita sila, I mean. Hindi rin talaga basta-basta tong kalaban na to.
Wind it looked like before he went down.
Twice. They'll get saved by the bell, it seems.
Boom.
Maybe.
And we're only in the 5th. Here comes Cotto. He's taking its toll on the champ.
Tamaan pa rin si Pacquiao kahit
Cotto
ano.
needs to get a rhythm back here.
Thought if they stood and traded,
Boom.
Cotto would get the better, much like he did with Ricky Hatton.
Absolutely.
Guys, please subscribe Lucky Punch and also my YouTube channel, Boss M.
This is where he wants to keep the fight.
Well, Cotto was
Rubis
gauged in
Pacquiao.
the round.
The rounds, that remains to be seen with
We'll
that.
see if it goes
Boom.
later, Mario.
It's true, Nick.
Round 6 coming up here at the MGM Grand. Manny Pacquiao, Miguel Cotto.
Has the power still to end this with one
He
shot.
certainly does. He's got a slugger.
We're seeing Miguel Cotto fight Ricardo Torres. I will never write him off in a fight.
And it was Manny Pacquiao. On the
Boom.
left.
And that's
Bang!
upstairs.
Grabe. Lakas nun. Oh,
Cotto's face beginning to take on a very jaded look here.
Three
Now.
shots here
grabe.
as
6 rounds pa lang.
Cotto
Bukol-bukol na
can't
si
dial
Cotto.
in round 6 at most already. But he is fighting a southpaw. Edmund Cotto here, don't you think?
Oh, yeah,
Ooh.
absolutely. He's been
At making adjustments and doing what he has to do to win.
Bang!
Oh, he got
Boom!
hit once.
Muntik na naman. Oh.
Miguel landed, driving Pacquiao back.
6 rounds pa lang, bukol-bukol na.
Try to land that hook. I
Dito sa laban na to, nakita ko si Cotto na umaatras talaga. Nung late round na. Kasi si Cotto, pag lumaban yan, nasa harap lang, counter puncher. Pero nung kay Manny Pacquiao, late round, nakikita mo na umaatras na si Cotto. Maliban dun sa laban nila ni Margarito, nung unang laban nila, kasi si Cotto talagang takbo ng takbo, wasak yung muka. Siyempre, ikaw ba naman, yung gloves ni Miguel Cotto, ni Margarito, merong cement. Kaya pag nakatama kay Cotto, nasasaktan siya. Pero dito kay Pacquiao, normal. Talagang lakas lang ni Pacquiao yung tumatama sa mukha niya. Pero wasak na wasak, atras ng atras.
sense that era that
Out of the boxing world, hence the office pool at my work.
Madiin kasi sumuntok si Pacquiao.
and more effective even in the 7th.
And you can hear those
At saka may inborn power talaga si Sir Manny.
He gets hit on the way in. He's leaning in the punches.
Boom!
breathing with his mouth wide.
Saka masisira yung kalaban niya sa style niya kasi yung suntok niya nga tuloy-tuloy. Tapos yung hangin niya maano din mataas. Tunggong. Kita nyo, tumatakbo na si Cotto.
Numerous times to no avail.
Behind but not out of it, and he's telling his quarter he's fine.
In control. Very
Makikita mo rin talaga na late round nasasaktan na si Cotto.
Effective, but he's surviving.
Ginagamit niya na yung pagka-amateur niya. Oh.
to the ropes.
Kita niyo yan? Grabe mag-ano si Pacquiao, no? Tuloy-tuloy ba? Boom!
Unleashing. And this is the very same
Pak,
arena
pak,
and ring
pak,
where Cotto
pak.
suffered his last defeat.
Pacquiao with a burst of fire.
Iba talaga yung Manny Pacquiao dati.
Retreat. He's on the ropes now. And Pacquiao
Boom!
with 3 shots after
Pak! Grabe. Eh, anong round pa lang yan? Wasak na.
Cotto needs a knockout.
Round 9.
And these rounds are flying by.
Ab when he moves. He can't just move, just dancing and not throwing.
Yeah, that's a good point.
I think Cotto
Grabe si Pacquiao. Kita niyo yan?
complete control of the fight, doing it there with speed.
Grabe katibay ni Sir Manny talaga dati.
Work rate has been so measured.
Ibang-iba yung Manny Pacquiao dati. Kita mo yan, no?
Trying to get his legs. He's on the ropes.
Oh, and a big combination.
Boom, boom.
Asking him to come forward.
Wasak na wasak yung mukha ni Cotto. Boom.
You just don't either have time or no.
Maybe 3 rounds to go if he gets back into the fight. Yeah, he loves the fight, doesn't he?
Diin na diin si Sir Manny manuntok.
For the final slow.
In the 10th. And we'll go to the corners and see.
The last round, that's not
Bang, bang.
So,
Hindi mo maintindihan saan galing yung suntok ni Pacquiao. Hindi mo makikita. Boom, boom. Tamaan si Pacquiao. Boom, 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 boom.
fighters, but
Grabe.
assuming deal can be made, anything you've seen
Kita nyo yan, round 11 na. Pero yung Pacquiao, yung galawan, parang round 1 lang.
the way of good judgment because
Kita yung mukha ni Cotto.
fight again if he takes a beating now.
Pero guys, sa totoo lang, sa laban na to, si Sir Manny after the fight. Grabing laki nung tenga niya. Kahit panoorin niyo yung full fight nito, yung after the fight nila, 12 rounds, sobrang laki nung isang tenga niya. Bumukol. Yung parang sa MMA ba? Nagchicharon.
One of the photographers was actually on the apron saying, "Congratulations, England."
Boom! Wala na. Wala na. Si Penny Bayliss na yung nagano talaga. Ay, mukha ni Cotto.
And new WBO.
Yan, mukha ni Cotto. Talagang legit na kamao lang ni Pacquiao tumama dyan. Hindi katulad nung kay Margarito. Wasak yung mukha niya pero may simento yung kay Margarito. Ito kay Pacquiao talagang kamao lang yung tumama. Ang sakit siguro nito after the fight, no?
The winner by TKO victory. And new
Grabe.
WBO.
Boom! Jab lang yun, ha?
The fighting pride of the Philippines. Manny.
Boom! So guys, yun lang at please subscribe Lucky Punch sa kanya tong video na to. Ginawa na natin ng reaction. So wag niyo rin kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko kasi para marami pa tayong magawa na video na ganito. Sana suportahan niyo ako sa channel ko. Maraming salamat at sa ulitin. God bless.